Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of fitness with a topic that's near and dear to our hearts, push-ups. In this video, we're going to reveal some tips and tricks to help you perfect your form, build strength, and boost your stamina. First things first, let's talk about positioning. Make sure your hands are shoulder-width apart, forming a triangle with your fingertips. This will help distribute your body weight evenly and prevent any unnecessary strain. And remember, keep your core tight to maintain stability throughout the movement. Next up is the breathing. When you lower yourself down, inhale deeply through your nose. As you push back up, exhale through your mouth with a controlled breath. This helps you maintain control and balance during the exercise. Now, let's talk about the secret ingredients for push-up perfection. Form and consistency. Remember, start slow and focus on form, rather than speed or repetitions. With time and practice, you'll see an improvement in both strength and stamina. And there you have it, folks. With these tips in mind, you're ready to tackle any push-up challenge that comes your way. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness hacks. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.